Saturday vlog. So the plan today is we're going to our bank to talk to a mortgage broker about some stuff regarding buying a house. And then after that, we're meeting up with my coworker friend Zack. You saw him probably in the last vlog. He's getting a complete setup today because he's been using Kaylee's board. And the plan kind of changed today because we were gonna go to some uncovered parks today so that Zack could learn how to do like some board slides and stuff, but it started raining because, you know, it's Oregon. Oregon's awesome. It just has to rain all the time. But there is one other park we're gonna go to. Actually, it was in the last vlog. Washington Jefferson. It's covered for the most part, so we can skate at least a little bit of it. So I guess today's just mostly a Saturday do whatever vlog. We just talked to the bank that we did our auto loan through. Unfortunately, they wouldn't let me film inside because of a lot of confidential stuff. I guess that makes sense. I don't know why I didn't think of it. But now we're going to meet up with Zack, and then we're gonna go buy his complete. And Zack's here now. I don't think we have enough boards in the back, but you know. Alright, so we're at the mall right now, and you know, I'd hate to be that kind of skater because there's like a whole generalized hate of Zumiez, but we have to go to Zumiez because it's the only place locally that sells mini logo, so that's what Zack's gonna probably get. Yeah. But he's buying his full complete today because he's been using Kaylee's board, and it's gonna be awesome.
Do you just need a deck, or are you trying to build a whole setup?
Whole set.
Cool, cool.
Dude.
Yeah, those ones are my pigtails. The thing I say about those, they're cool.
Where is their mini logos? Are these all? No, these are all Superior. I had one of these yellow toy machines once. So Zack's setup is a couple of Thunder trucks, Spitfires, Reds, Mob Grip, and Tom Asta Santa Cruz board. Sick.
We can just put those pieces out. How many skaters are there?
Let's see it, man.
Oh my god.
It's all done. How does it feel?
Freaking awesome, dude. Can't believe I got it.
It's a sick board though. It's gonna be a rainy day session. Oh well. We'll try to get some good footage though. Back home now. The raining got too much and we got kind of bored of having so little to skate, so we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna have some butterbeer and watch some movies and enjoy the rest of our lazy Saturday. So
If you like this content, subscribe and stay tuned for more.